What's going on, my fellow gamers? So today I've been banging out Call of Duty Modern Warfare online because I wanted to get them two katana samurai looking things. So I finally just managed to unlock it. Basically you have to stab someone in the back 15 times. And I'll show you guys how to get it anyway, but yeah, I finally just unlocked it, man, because I think they look cool, little nerd and all that. And the perks that I used was double time and tracker, because tracker shows you their footprints to where they're at. That's very helpful as well. And use a light, to start off with I would use a light weapon as well, just because it's easier to switch to a knife or whatever. But yeah. And so guys, that's how you get the Call of Duty Modern Warfare katana things, man. And I also recommend using stun grenade as well. It slows the victims down as well, man. If you like the video, you guys know what to do. Peace.